up, everybody? It's Matt coming to you with like my very first video. Alright, so today we're gonna do a DIY for a cropped hem, or a cropped denim with frayed hem. Alright, so check me out. I'm out here folding the denim. You want it to fit your style. Everybody has a different style, but I don't know, I prefer mine like this. It's not too short, but I'm measuring the denim. You really want to make sure that it's decently symmetrical. You don't have to have it perfect, guys. Alright, so like before you start cutting the denim, make sure that you try them on, that you like the fit. Work it, boy. I see you. Then mark the denim where you're gonna cut. Alright, so the fun part, we're out here. We're cutting the denim with this is actually a fabric scissors. I don't know, I found them in my cupboard, but it can get a little tough right here on the very end. Alright, got it. Cool. Just be patient with this. You don't want to mess up your jeans. I'm using a pair of H&M denim that I paid like 40 bucks for. I didn't really like the leg opening, the size of it, so just you gotta make do what you have. So I just decided I'd do a cropped denim custom out of them. Alright, so the next thing that you want to do is pull out your knife. Shit looks like something from Scream, but this knife it's gonna give it that frayed look. Just kind of be aggressive. It's a little bit tedious, but I was able to get a decent look. I'm not a pro at this, guys, by any means. Anybody can do this. This is actually like my first DIY. So yeah, just go along the hem, and then after you're pretty satisfied, you can pull out your tweezers and start kind of like plucking the little hairs. Keep on plucking them till you get a desired length. I just kind of eyeballed it. It actually looked pretty decent at the end. Yeah, I don't know. Hopefully you are enjoying this video. Make sure y'all drop a comment, like the dang video. And after I was done, I decided I'd use a pair of my Easy Calabasas, my Power Phases. Here's a final look. Looking so nice. That is all I have for you today. If you like the damn video, please make sure to subscribe, comment, like the video, and this is Matt Clout signing out.